Hello students, today we are going to solve some question on subtraction. The first question that we are going to solve is find the difference between 5000 and 1519. Now you can see here that I have written some basic concepts over here that we already have studied. Now we will start with this question. First of all, we will draw one place value chart, then we will put these numbers inside it, and then we will begin our subtraction. So here is our place value chart, and we have put the numbers over here. 5000 minus 1519. Now we will start from the right side, that is from the ones. Now students, you can see that here in ones place, tens place and hundred place, there are no numbers, there are zero, and we have to subtract these from them. So again we have to use the concept of regrouping. So let's see how we are going to do it. We will be regrouping the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Here what we will do is we will regroup 5000 into 4000, 900, 9 tens, 10 ones. Listen here, whatever I have to take in these places, I have to take from here. As we know, 1000 is equal to 1000. So if I take 1000 from here, I can give it here, I can put it here as 1000. So here the digit that we will be getting is, after taking 1 from here, if I put 1000 here, that means 1000 here, we will have it as 10. Automatically this 5 will become 4. Now here we have to take the number from this place. As we know, 100 is equal to 10 tens. So again I will take 100 from here and I'll put it here. That means I will again have 10 tens here. As I'm taking 10 from here, the number that I am left with is 9, right? Now let's come to this. Here we have got 10, here we have got 0. So we have to take 1 tens from here, because we know that 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So again we are going to take 1 tens from here and we are going to add it here. So here we will get 10. When I will be taking 1 from here, the number that I will be left with is 9. Now we will begin our subtraction. This is why we have written here that we will be regrouping 5000 into 4000, 900, 9 tens and 10 ones. And now we can easily solve our problem. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer that we are getting is 3481. And after solving this, I will write the answer like this. That is, subtracting 1519 from 5000 will give me 3481. Student, I am going to repeat this step once again for you. Listen to me very carefully. What we had initially here, we had 0, 0 and 0, right? And here we had 5. What we did, we regrouped 5000 first. We took 1000 from here and we put it here. Because we know 1000 equal to 1000, so that's why we had 10 here. Because we took 1 from here, right? Now let's come to this step. Again I will take 100 from here and I will put it here. As we know, 100 is equal to 10 tens, that's why I will take 100 from here, I will put it here. That means I will get 10 10, right? Now again, here initially we had 0. Again I will take 1 tens from here and I will put it here, and as a result I will get 10 here, because 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. And then I will start solving my question. as I'm taking 1 away from each places, you can see the number is decreasing, right? Then we started with 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. That is 3481. Children, now let's move on to the next question. Find the difference between 4000 and 1827. Again, we will draw a place value chart and then we will regroup and then we will subtract. So let's start. So here is our place value chart where we have put the values. Now we will start from the right side, that is from the ones place. Now look here students, here also we have got 0, 0, 0 here, and we have to subtract these numbers from them. Again we will regroup. We will take 1 from here, 1000 from here, and we will put it here. When we will take 1000 from here, this will reduce to 3, because 1000 is equal to 1000. So when it will go here, this will become 10, because 1000. So now we can easily subtract 8 from 10. Now I will take 100 from here and I will put it here. So when I will take 100 from here, it will become 9 and this will become 10. Why? How we can take 100 and put it here? Because we know 100 is equal to 10 tens. That's why. So now from here we will take one more and we will put it here. 1 tens is equal to 10 tens. That's why we are going to put it here and this will become 10. When I am going to shift 1 tens here, this will become 9 and here we will get 10. Now we will start subtracting. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2173. After solving, we will write it like this. So the answer is, the difference between 4000 and 1827 is 2173. Hello children, now we will solve this question in subtraction. That is, find the difference between 7852 and 4369. Let's begin. First of all, we will draw a place value chart where we will put these values and then we will start. So children, here is our place value chart. We have written the numbers and then we will start from the right side, that is from the ones. Here we can see we have 2 here and we have 9. As we know, we cannot subtract 9 from 2, so we have to use the concept of regrouping. We will take one number from here. This will become 4, and as 1 tens is equal to 10 ones, when I will shift 1 10 over here, it will become 10. 10 plus 2 will become 12. So now I can subtract 9 from 12. 9 minus 12 or 12 minus 9 is 3. Now here again I have got a smaller number. So I will take one number from here. As a result, this will get decreased. And when I will shift 100 to the tens place, it will become 10 tens. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. We will write 8 here. Right? Now I can easily subtract 3 from 7, which is 4. And 4 we can subtract from 7. So after subtracting 4 from 7, we get 3. So the answer is 3483. This is how we will write after solving this. That is, the difference between 7852 and 4369 is 3483.